Hi. Hi guys, what is up? I need to close this door. Okay, let's get this party going. So it is currently 12:36, Thursday, November 22nd, which AKA is Thanksgiving. So I need my, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So today's video is going to be a glow up video. It's not even a glow up video. It's literally a transformation video, you know? I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving with all my family. I have a lot of family. I have 9 people in my family, including me. I have my mom, my aunt, my uncle, my nana, my papa, and my 3 cousins. So that is 9 people, well, 8 people plus me. Yeah, so I need to get ready. I've been contemplating getting ready for a very, very long time now, for about like an hour, and I finally decided I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna, you know, talk to you guys, you know, tell you about my life lately, because I feel like I haven't been able to talk to you guys for a very long time. So let's get cracking. So fun fact about me today, I have been in a super crappy mood. I couldn't tell you why either, which is sucks, because I don't know, a lot of things are happening in my life lately, a lot of like difficult things that I've been trying to not really think about because they're very frustrating things that I can't, you know, do anything about. So I'm trying to just like let them go and let them be, but you know, that's hard, especially for me. That's hard for me. I am the type of person who likes to kind of have control of the situation, and I try really hard not to, but I do, which is not a good quality. I'm gonna wet my beauty blenders just real quick, so excuse me. Anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, I'm just kind of, I'm like not like depressed or anything. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like it hasn't been the most easiest time of the year for me. So I'm not saying like I'm super sad or whatever, like I'm fine. So like I was saying, yeah, I just wasn't in a good mood this morning, and I've been trying to like turn that around all morning and really think about the positive and think about, oh my gosh, how lucky I am to be here with all my family in this beautiful house, and really just try to focus on that. And it's been really hard. I don't really know why, but I'm trying to really take today and like think about everything I'm really grateful for, which is so much. Like I'm so lucky and I'm so grateful for everything I have, which everybody should be doing right now. And I know when this is up, Thanksgiving will be over, but I really hope that you spent your Thanksgiving being with your loved ones and telling them that you love them, because you should always tell the people you love that you love them and not waste any time. Who else is ready for Christmas? I'm ready for Christmas. So, hi. How have you guys been? You know, that's what I want to know. That's what I need to know. School. I don't want to talk about it actually. School has been a lot more difficult than I was expecting actually. Usually with school, it's weird. It has always been like, don't like school because of drama, but this year I don't like, I mean, I like going to school, but like I rather be home sleeping, and I don't know. I just feel like there's other things I would love to be doing with my time instead of working on homework, if that makes sense. But I still appreciate it, and still I'm thankful that I have an amazing education that I am able to go through and have. So this should just be like complaining with Tilly, you know? So in my past Q&As, people have asked me what my celebrity crush is. I just feel like I need to tell you guys this. I've been asked what my celebrity crush is, and I have never had one until now. I have a celebrity crush. His name's Cole Sprouse. He's pretty dang cute. Update, my new favorite show is Riverdale, and I finished it. And I can't with the new episode promos. They are intense as can be, and it's raining so hard outside, so that's what that sound is. Do we love this bright thing? Yeah, so I've been watching Riverdale. That's why Cole Sprouse is my celebrity crush. But it is so good. Like when it first came out, it looked not good at all to me, and people were like raving about it, and I'm like, what? So I never watched it. So I just watched it, and so like I just hopped on the trend, I'm telling you. So, newbie, as they say. No one says that anymore, do they? Not that I know of. Okay, I have to go to the bathroom. Anyway, I was talking about Riverdale. So usually I hate like murder mysteries and stuff like that, but oh my freaking gosh, it is so good. It is one of my new favorite shows, guarantee. You know how like on Netflix there's like the staple shows like Parks and Rec and Friends and The Office that will forever be your favorite shows, and then you have like little shows that are like, oh my gosh, this is my favorite show right now, like Gossip Girl or 90210, or what's the Sabrina one? I haven't watched that. Sabrina the Witch one. There's that, and then there's like, what else is there? There's just like random shows that are like popular, but you don't watch, like Pretty Little Liars. Like they're not like the staple favorite shows, you know? But for me, Riverdale Riverdale is now one of my favorite staple shows. So a lot of you guys been asking me to do another ASMR video. Do you want me to? I will. Did you like that? I have so many questions. Wow. Oh, what did you think about that? I don't know how I feel about it, but apparently you guys really liked it. So maybe I should do another one. They are talking very loud. I think it's funny because I started off this video kind of deep, honestly. Kind of scary. And I'm sorry. Lately, I haven't been contouring my nose, but it's more just putting bronzer on it because I think it looks cute. Maybe I'm starting a new trend. I am not ready to eat all that food for Thanksgiving. I just realized that, like, I'm not hungry at all, but yet I think I'm eating in like 2 hours. So hopefully I'm hungry by then. Do you guys like Thanksgiving food? Because honestly, I don't really like Thanksgiving food. I don't care if you like want to hate on me. I honestly don't really like Thanksgiving food. It's weird. Okay, I'm gonna actually put on eyeshadow for once in my life. Okay, I'll just put on like, why is this wet? I don't know my hairbrushes, so who are they talking to on the phone? My hair's not gonna look cute today. Definitely talking to someone on the phone, but I don't know who, and I'm being left out, and I feel very left out right now. Hey guys, so I'm filming on my vlog camera right now because my big camera died, and it is actually hours later, and we're getting ready to eat. I had sort of a mental breakdown earlier today, so that's why my makeup is kind of different. I didn't feel like doing it much more. So yeah, I put my hair down and just enhanced the wave. Yeah, so I'll show you my outfit now. This is my outfit. You guys, this is the only big mirror in the house. So this shirt is from 521, belt is from Amazon, and my pants are from Brandy Melville, and then my shoes are just black booties. So that is kind of it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, if you guys want to see this whole entire trip, make sure you stay tuned to my Vlogmas, which is weird that I'm coming out with Vlogmas week 1 because I'm gonna be doing weeks instead of days. I just feel like that's more interesting for my life because it's pretty boring. But yeah, so that's kind of it. I love you guys so much, and do not forget, never stop buzzing your best. Bye.